Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear friends, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal University School, Day Shift. And now I am going to conduct an Agriculture Studies class for the students of class 8. And our today's topic is from Chapter 3, Lesson 1, 2 and 3 discussion. The students have summarizes the whole discussion of Lesson 1, 2 and 3 from Chapter 3 and just look an overview on the board. This is Chapter 3. Its name is Agricultural Materials and Lesson 1, 2 and 3 discussion. Okay? First of all, you will get the importance of seed bed. Dear students, in farming, the importance of seed bed cannot be described in words, because if the seed bed is not properly managed, then the seeds will not germinate properly. As a result, the farmer will not get the good harvest. So, the seed bed carries a great importance. Okay. Lesson 1, preparation of suitable soil in the nursery for seed sowing. How to prepare the nursery for seed sowing. To prepare a nursery, we need some materials, and that's are land, stick, measuring tape, spade, organic and inorganic fertilizer, etc. Okay. Dear students, in our country we can find two kinds of seed beds: dry seed bed and wet seed bed. Direct seed bed sowing can be done in dry seed bed. That means in dry seed bed we can sow seeds directly. But in case of wet seed bed, soak the soil in the seed bed with water to prepare a clay mud and level it. We need to do all these works, okay, for the case of wet seed bed. Then seeds would be shown there, okay. This is all about lesson 1, and now lesson 2. Preparation of an ideal seed bed. That means how to prepare an ideal seed bed. The steps are here. Different size of seed bed. Dear students, seed bed can be in different size because it actually depends on the motto of the farmers. That means in how many acres of land the farmer will do the harvest, it depends on that. Okay. So to do that, fertilizer application is an important task. Then soil preparation and protective measures are the most important tasks. Seed bed for rice. Dear students, you know that for rice seed bed, farmers need to use dry seed bed. Farmers need to use wet seed bed. Okay. So they need to prepare clay, make mud, avoid of tree shades, because if there is the availability of tree shades, then the seed of the rice would not germinate properly. Okay, and it should be devoid of flood water. That means if the flood water is available at the rice seed bed, then all the rice seed bed would be vanished. Okay, then seed bed for horticultural crops. Dear students, for horticultural crops, first of all, farmers need to show the seeds in nursery and raise them up to for minimum size. Okay, then they will shift that crops in the mainland from the nursery. Lesson 3, management of seed bed. That means what are the steps we need to follow for the seed bed. Keep the upper soil of the seed bed plain. That means the farmers need to plane the upper soil of the land. Maintain seed bed free from wet. If weed attacks at the seed bed, then the crops or main crop would not be able to grow up properly. Protection measures taken. That means protection measures should be taken for diseases or other problems. Okay. Maintaining irrigation facilities. Farmers should choose some land which from where they can maintain irrigation facilities. Apply urea 280 gram for our decimal land. Okay, if the crops seems to be yellow, okay, then they will use urea, okay, at this portion. Not to use raw cow dung. Students, you know that raw cow dungs are not suitable for the seed bed. Okay, make fence around the seed bed so that the goat or ram cannot do any harm to the crops of the seed bed. Okay, give shades over seedlings. Students, for few crops the farmers need to give shade over the seedlings. Okay, students, these are all about lesson 1, 2 and 3 from chapter 3, and you have homework number 2, make 5 MCQ. Okay, dear students, these lessons are too much easy. This is the end of the class. I hope you all got understood today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.